Hi there, welcome back. This video is the beginning of a new series where we're going to be deep diving into bumper extensions. Now, what are bumper extensions? So extensions are basically optional features, plug and play features on bumper that you can, as a business owner, use to customize your storefront or automate your marketing processes or add upselling functionalities or upselling options to your website or your store without necessarily needing to know or do any kind of coding. So it's pretty much just toggle on this or switch this on and you are good to go. Now we have a couple of extensions on the Bumper web app. And to actually see our suite of extensions, first of all, you need to navigate to extensions here on the left side menu. So once you click on extensions, you come onto this page, and the first thing you can see is explore our range of extensions to customize your store to your business needs or to boost sales or to streamline your workflow. Now here, this dashboard shows you all of the extensions that are currently on Bumper, and there are more coming. In subsequent videos in this series, I'm going to break down every single one, except for the ones that we have covered in the previous series that are tied to products or inventory. So extensions like product bundles, gift card. We've also covered countdown, back in stock. You can see them in videos, in tutorial videos in the product or the orders series. Also, gift box at checkout has been covered as well. So here you can see all of the extensions that you have, that are available rather. And when you toggle on this, you can see the ones that you have. Now, extensions are paid for. You have to pay an extra charge to have an extension, but they don't cost a lot and they're super important. And you can always prioritize the ones that you need for your business, so you don't need to get everything at once. So like I mentioned in subsequent videos, I'm going to break down every single one and how it works, but I'm just going to quickly run through all of these extensions that are available. The first one is the blog. So you can now add blog posts. You can create and add a blog to your Bumper website without needing to have like an external website that you use for content or having to write code or tweak your website in any way. It's as simple as just turning it on and posting your content. Then we have the photo gallery, where you can add things like behind the scenes photos, your processes, just your brand story, your personality, your products, things that are not necessarily on your product page, and things that, tell a story about your brand or show people what you do. So if, for example, you're a fashion designer and you want to, carry people along through your processes, how you, visualize and come up with ideas and then turn them into clothing. A photo gallery is great for that. If you're a food vendor and you want to just showcase beautiful pictures of your food, photo gallery is also something that could work for you as well. Next, we have the gift box at checkout. Like I mentioned, has been covered in detail in the product video, in the product series. But gift box basically allows you add extra gifts or gift wrapping at checkout. So if your customer wants to gift, if someone is buying for someone else and you offer gift wrapping or a box or a bag, they can add that option and pay for it, and you just package it and send it to the person who is getting the delivery. Then we have product add-ons that lets you attach extra items to the main product. So when a customer is buying, you can see, oh, this as well. You could also like this, you could also like that, and they can just add it to their purchase. Then we have pages where you can communicate important information. So things like, the about us, things like your FAQs. Pages helps you just create and put all that content in a very neat and organized way for your customers to come and browse and see at any point in time. Next is the custom checkout, where you can personalize your checkout and collect the details that you really want to collect. So beyond the normal checkout that we have now, you can customize your checkout to have more stuff to collect more information. Then we have countdown, where you can add a countdown timer to your website to, create urgency, create excitement, create FOMO, create all sorts of, excitement about an upcoming sale, an upcoming product launch, anything that you're doing that you want to build anticipation towards, you can use the countdown timer on your website to show that. So basically, once your customers land on your website and they see a countdown timer and see all of that, they know that something big is coming and they're just waiting for it to happen. Then we have the back in stock extension that allows you to notify customers when an item is restocked. So sometimes a customer may want to buy something on your website, but it's out of stock. Instead of that customer just going away, you can collect their details so that when the product is back in stock, the system automatically triggers an email or an SMS to that customer, letting them know that the item is back in stock and they can shop now, which helps you bring back customers and make more money. Next is, featured brands. This featured brands allows you to add logos of the brands that you sell, and basically customers also allows customers to filter through brands. If they just click on it, they will see all the products in that brand, and it's a great way to showcase quality brands as well. Next, you have product bundle. So product bundle allows you to group or batch products together and sell them as one. So if you sell hair accessories, for example, you can batch, instead of having a conditioner and a shampoo, you can just batch them for a slightly cheaper price, and sell it as a bundle. So product bundle allows you to batch products together and maybe just knock off 1,000 or 2,000 naira off the price, giving your customers the impression that they are getting more for less. And then finally, you can now issue gift cards to your customers and they just use the gift card to shop on your website, and people can also buy gift cards for their friends who can then come and shop on your website with the gift card. So, like I mentioned earlier, in subsequent videos, I will be detailing each of these, explaining how it works and how to set it up. It's all very easy. All of these things you can do in a few minutes. So stick around with me and I will see you in the next video. Bye.